Learn Indonesian. I would like equals.
Saya ingin.
Welcome. Hey you, ready to sound polite and confident in Indonesian? Let's have fun and learn fast. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and freebies. Today, from English to Indonesian, you'll master I would like equals.
Saya ingin.
At the cafe, I say, I would like a coffee, please. In Indonesian, you say,
Saya ingin kopi, tolong.
Friendly, clear, and oh so useful. Your goal today. By the end, you'll order like a pro using one polite key phrase. Your goal is simple. Use
Saya ingin
to start any polite request. It literally means, I would like, and it's great in shops, cafes, and a
warung.
Compare.
Saya ingin.
Polite, formal.
Saya mau.
Common, casual, and
Boleh saya.
may I, to refuse politely.
Saya tidak ingin.
Say it right. Let's lock in the sound, short, clear, and friendly. Repeat after me with rhythm.
Saya ingin.
Again.
Saya ingin.
Gesture trick. Hand on your chest, then point to the item, say.
Saya ingin.
Try with items.
Saya ingin kopi. Saya ingin teh manis. Saya ingin segelas air.
Rhythm loop.
Saya ingin.
Clap.
Saya ingin.
Clap. Keep it bouncy. Mini dialogues. Time to use it in real life. Jump into the market vibe. Customer.
Permisi, saya ingin teh manis.
Vendor.
Baik, satu teh manis ya.
At the cafe, and I would like a coffee, please. ID.
Saya ingin kopi, tolong.
When ordering, and I would like something sweet. ID.
Saya ingin sesuatu yang manis.
At a store, and I would like this one. ID.
Saya ingin yang ini.
Polite wrap up.
Terima kasih.
Memory hooks. Let's make it stick with story, rhyme, and senses. Story. You enter a busy market. You smile and say,
Saya ingin nasi goreng.
The air fills with the scent of fried rice. Rhyme. If you begin, say,
Saya ingin.
Your order will surely win. Mnemonic. Think, say ingin.
Saya ingin.
Loci trick. Picture a glowing doormat reading.
Saya ingin.
Step on it and your item appears. Senses. Smell fresh.
Kopi.
Taste.
Teh manis.
Feel the smooth.
Menu.
Under your fingers while whispering.
Saya ingin.
Mind map pairs, please.
Tolong.
Thank you.
Terima kasih.
A glass of water.
Segelas air.
Can I have?
Boleh saya.
Culture tips. Sound natural, sound kind, Indonesian style. At a
warung.
Simple and warm is best. Start with
Permisi.
then.
Saya ingin.
Then add.
Tolong. Saya ingin.
Is politely neutral.
Saya mau.
Is very common and casual. Avoid.
Saya ambil.
I take. It can sound abrupt. Extra polite.
Boleh saya pesan.
Or.
Boleh saya.
Don't forget the smile and.
Terima kasih.
Comedy break. You deserve a laugh. Language loves humor. A parrot learns to order and squawks.
Saya ingin kerupuk.
The vendor nods.
Baik, satu kerupuk.
Everyone claps. The parrot pays in sunflower seeds. Exaggeration. A giant speech bubble shouting.
Saya ingin.
Floats above you until your snack appears like magic. Sci-fi cameo. On Mars, tourists still say,
Saya ingin nasi goreng.
some things are universal. Like yummy fried rice. Quiz time. Quick check. Answer out loud, then I'll confirm. 1. Fill the blank. ID, D restaurant, blank, Tay. Answer.
Saya ingin.
2. Multiple choice. Which means, I would like. A.
Saya suka.
B.
Saya ingin.
C.
Saya perlu.
D.
Saya takut.
Answer. B.
Saya ingin.
3. Translate to Indonesian. I would like a glass of water. Answer.
Saya ingin segelas air.
4. True or false.
Saya ingin.
Equals, I would like. Answer. True. 5. Context. At a pharmacy, I would like something for a headache. Answer.
Saya ingin sesuatu untuk sakit kepala.
Speed challenge. Okay, sprinter, give me 3 quick orders, go. Say 3 polite requests starting with.
Saya ingin.
Sample answers.
Saya ingin kopi. Saya ingin teh. Saya ingin air mineral.
Bonus. Mixed styles.
Saya mau jus sehat. Boleh saya lihat menu?
Wrap up. You did it. Short phrase, big power. Today you learned to start clear, kind requests in Indonesian with.
Saya ingin.
Use it at a
Warung.
cafe or store, add.
Tolong.
And finish with.
Terima kasih.
Thanks for listening. Keep practicing, and for more lessons, games, and printables, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. Brought to you by Synapse Lingo. See you next time.